In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Pinterest for your digital marketing business. So follow along. Firstly, you would need to create a Pinterest account. I suggest creating a business Pinterest account because this is where all your pins will be located. Now you're ready to create a new pin. So click on Create Pin. It will open up a new pin board for you. I've already imported a couple of images that I want to use for my pins. So I select one that I'm ready to create the pin for. Now you need to complete the details for your pin. So I used ChatGPT to give me a couple of titles, descriptions, and suggestions for images that I can use. I'm selecting one that I'm going to copy and then insert into my title. Okay, so I paste in my title. I then go back and I copy the description and I paste the description for this pin. It is important to use hashtags. So I have already found some hashtags suggested by ChatGPT that is perfect for this pin. The more hashtags, the better. Then I put the link to my website and I select the board that I want this pin to be hosted on, which is work from home. Okay, then I ensure that all of my search tags are in there and populated. And if I want to publish this particular pin later during the day, I then change the date as well as the time that I want this pin to be posted. Okay, it is suggested that you pin as many of these Pinterest posts in a day to optimize the use of the tool and the platform. You then schedule the pin and it will be ready to go at 6 p.m. as I requested. To view that it is there, I will then go back and check, and voila! So if you want to learn other content ideas of how to market your business using social media and all of these online platforms without ever having to show your face, follow along and I'll gladly share. And if you want to learn the same blueprint that I've been following to learn how to make passive income online, check the link in my bio and comment yes.